Okay, the method to improve the Apriori efficiency. The first one is using the hash-based item set counting. It means for an k item set whose corresponding hashing bucket count below the threshold cannot be frequent. Actually, basically, this concept is from the Apriori principle. It means any frequent item set then is uh, descendant of the subset of the uh, set that should be also frequent. Okay. The next one is about a transaction reduction. It means a transaction that does not contain any frequent k item set is useless. Okay, it's useless. For example, if we are found that an item or a transaction which did not contain any frequent k item set, then it's useless in the subsequent scan. Okay, means for example, in the two item set, if those two items, for example, A and B, were not frequent, then in the subsequent, there is no way that A and B will become frequent. Okay. And next is about partitioning. It means any item set that is potentially frequent in the database must be frequent in at least one of the partitions of the database. Means if the items are frequent, then even you did some partition on the subset, then any subset will become frequent. Okay. Next is about sampling. It means we can mine on a subset of given data. Then we should have a low support thresholds for the sampling. For example, if you set the overall support value to be, for example, 2%, okay, but now you just partition the database into 4 sub database. In that case, you should also lower the support value because in the overall, okay, the support value may be higher. But if you partition the large database into the smaller one, then you also need to lower the support thresholds. Okay, but see whether we should use maintain the same, the support value for the large or for the small. Okay, and how you lower the support value is also a good research topic because that's the case by case. For example, as I said, in Taiwan, normally for the ice creams, it has hot sales during the summer. Okay, but not in the winter. However, if you partition the whole year's ice cream sales into 4 seasons. Okay, then in that case, if you consider about the summer, the third uh, quarter of the year, then the support value will be similar to the whole years. Okay, so in that case, there is no need to lower the support value. However, here we just assume that all the data, all the items were distributed symmetrically in the whole year round. Okay, so in that case, if you want to partition the core database into the smaller one, then you need to also partition the lower the support values. Okay. Next is about a dynamic item set counting. Means we can add a new candidate item set only when all of their subsets are estimated to be frequent. Okay. So if all the subsets are estimated to be frequent, then we can add a new candidate